Good morning, students. Today I will deal with grammar portion and teach you modal verb. A verb that expresses likelihood, ability, permission, request, capability, suggestion, obligation and advice. A modal verb always accompanies the base form of verb. What is base form of verb? This is the main verb of a sentence. So, let's see the structure and rule how modals are used in English language. Subject plus modal verb plus main verb. So in this structure it can be noted that the main verb always follows the modal verb, and if we use a modal verb in a sentence, the main verb or the base form of verb doesn't change its form. For example, she should obey her parents. Here the word should is a modal verb and obey is a base form of verb, main verb. So here we see that obey did not change its form. It remains in the V1 form. Since modal verb expresses different modality, so we need to understand the particular modes conveyed by the sentence to use modal verb correctly. For example, it dash rain today, she dash write a letter. If we speak the two sentences in Hindi, this will be बारिश हो सकती है, वह खत लिख सकती है. Here the word sakna is a modal verb, and from both sentences it appears that the same modal verb will be used in the both sentences, but it's wrong. Since the both sentence convey a different type of modes, okay, particularly the first sentence, it dash rain today, it's expressing the possibility. So here we will use may. In the second sentence we will see that it is showing the capacity of a girl. So here we will use can. So in this way we have to be very particular about the different tone conveyed by the sentence, and according to that we will use modals. In English language, the modal verb commonly used are can, could, may, might, must, will, would, shall, should, ought to, have to, and had better. Today I will discuss 10 most important modal auxiliaries: can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must and ought to. Can simply expresses ability, request and offer. We can see the example, you can win the match. This sentence shows ability of a person. Can you take me to Victoria Park? This is a request. You can become the member of our society. This is an offer. The same modes, ability, request and offer, can be expressed in past with the help of could. But if we use could in present tense, it is used to make polite request. Okay, for example, could you tell me the time? So the next modal auxiliary is may, which is normally used to express permission and possibility. For example, may I enter the room? She may come late. And the same modes are expressed in past using might. Might also can be used in present to show the little possibility. Suppose if we say that it might rain today, that means that there's a little chance to rain today. Next modal auxiliary is shall, which expresses intention and offer. It is also used to show future action. Let's say the example, I shall go to the party. The sentence shows the intention of a person. Shall I carry your bag? It shows an offer. Should expresses advice and moral obligation. Such obligations are not firm because they are not imposed on anybody, but it can be one's moral duty. For example, you should help needy people. You should drink plenty of water daily. So this sentence shows the suggestion. Next important modal auxiliary is will, which is used to express offer, decision and prediction. The examples are, will you come to the party? It is an offer. I will teach her a lesson. It is a determination. There will be strong wind tomorrow in the south of the country. This is a prediction. Must expresses firm obligation, which can't be denied. And it also expresses recommendations. Let's see the example. Pupils must not run in the field. It is a firm obligation. You must go and watch the movie. This is a recommendation. The last modal auxiliary is ought to. It is also known as semi-modal verb because unlike other modals, it's followed by to, but like a modal verb, its following verb doesn't change its form. In function, it's very similar to should. It also expresses moral obligation and advice. So let's see the example. You ought to phone your parents. This shows the suggestion and advice. You ought to serve your country. It's a moral obligation. So I hope you understood the different type of modes of modal verb, and I'll be giving you the exercises related to this video. Thank you.